All right, guys. We got Scott Jones here today, and the laser running in the background. Sorry for the noise. But we're building a 2x6 ultimate maker table that eventually we're going to turn into a motorcycle frame jig. He makes a lot of, like, what is it, like rigid conversions?
A lot of converting swing arm frames, like double head, Harley Davidson to rigid. Modifying frames, changing neck angles, stretch, fixing and repairing. So I'm going to try to do a table and double use table and frame jig.
And I'd say your style's like nasty 70s, like biker.
I don't know if I have a style, but I definitely like the early Harley Davidson choppers and bobbers or whatever. But yeah, I've built bikes all over the board, so I have a style for me, but I enjoy building all kinds of styles for people.
Yeah, that's cool. All right, so if you have any questions, I'm gonna tag Scott's account. It's Noise Cycles. He also does some flat track racing, and he's just coming off a bad wreck. So
it might be a little rigid in here.
Yeah, a little stiff, like your frames. All right, man, go for it.
Hand injury comes into play.
Yeah, your stiff hands. This is your physical therapy.
PT.
Working in the shop.
Okay.
So if you grab a couple of the C-clamps. It's like a Lego set for grown-ups. The corners, like if you take time on the corners, it becomes like basically a square.
Okay.
You know, but if you rush them, they can be a little off, and it's just frustrating forever. So,
okay.
Yeah, we should just flip it over. Setting up his new machine. You know their Instagram handle?
Yeah, OTC.
Daihan?
Daihan. Get the correct spelling for it. OTC. Daihan.
Let's see. You guys see that on the gram?
So there's the machine. Oh, make a table.
Oh snap, it's the same machine! Wait, that's it? It's over? That's all, guys. I don't have any more footage. I don't have any more editing. Seriously, who are you to complain about a free show on the internet anyways? Please, if you like this, thanks for watching. Hit subscribe. I don't know exactly how all this stuff works, but you know where to find the button. Happy making. See you guys later. Yo!